Let's take a look at each part of the machine. After open the machine, we can see here. Here has so many button. Power button. And this is the offline panel of the machine. This is the online panel. There are many switches here. This is the lift up and down switch. If you switch this, so machine Z table will auto to up and down. There are the emergency stop switch and laser switch. Emergency button, if you press it, so emergency button will make all machine power off. So machine will stop all job, and machine is also off at all. If you switch it, so emergency button will return to work again. Add this is laser button, if you press this button, so machine laser power is supplying lasers. It is important button for works. Follows our points of attention. When you get this machine, and if you new user to operate this machine, so you need to read it, and know what you need to attention. Okay, now let us open this machine cover and going to see machine table area. Here are machine working table and machine moving area. Then here you can see laser lens and laser heads. This is laser lens. When you power on machine, so laser will come from tube and come to this lens, then go to laser head. And all will moving by this laser head. This is air pipe, here below there, if not have this, so some materials will be burned when you engraving or cutting. And this is red point, this red point function is for marking good position for working. This is real good function, because you will know correct position for you materials cutting or engraving. And see above. It has also a flashlight and machine cover. You can see machine all design are perfect. And now let us open machine right side cover. Then let us to see machine inside all PCB boards. If you open this cover, so you need to use the key to open. You can see this in box, there are all machine circuit PCB boards. Now let us to learn about these PCB boards. This is this laser power, it is for supplying lasers, this is main board. This is driver boards. And switch power board. All others are wire cables. And also you can see this black cable. It is for offline working cable. Connect offline network. Or this USB cable. Now this is power connect cable. If you connect this cable, so machine will enter AC 220 volts power. This is on ground wire. Connect this ground wire can protect operator safety. You can turn off this cap. Then use any wire connected and follow it to ground. Here is a connector. It is for connecting air pump and water pumps.
The company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.